Here's a 1972 Chevrolet Nova, little Nova SS Tribute car, powered by a 383 stroker underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes. Nice looking car. Little custom paint job on the cowl induction hood. This particular vehicle I would call a nice driver quality car. Turbo 350 transmission, so it's got an automatic behind the 383 in it. Bucket seats, center console, automatic on the floor. If you'd like to check out the still pictures, see the interior engine bay, underside of the car, the still pictures can be checked out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to give us a call too at 507-386-1726 if you'd like to inquire about this or any of our other inventory. I'm going to slip around and fire this up for you so you can hear that 383 rumble. It's a nice sound to it. This car's definitely got some horsepower behind it. Dakota digital dash, as you can see. Hear how nice that sounds. Gets a little dark for the video in here with the black interior. Slip around to the back. Here at idle. It's a 1972 Chevrolet Nova SS Tribute. 383 stroker in it, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, Dakota digital dash. Nice driver quality car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, or check out all the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.